With no end in sight to the MERS outbreak in Korea, the number of people under quarantine keep on growing.
Right, and that's why it's proving virtually impossible to keep tabs on everyone who has been given strict instructions to stay home. Our Han reports on whether tougher measures need to be introduced to ensure they listen and abide by these orders.
A middle-aged woman suspected of carrying the MERS virus is forcibly sent back home after being spotted walking on the streets. A man in his 30s, also a high-risk patient, is dragged off a tour boat he boarded in Incheon. Another suspected patient, who later tested positive for MERS, leaves an isolation ward and wanders around the hospital. As the struggle to contain the MERS outbreak goes on longer than most had expected, the authorities are having a hard time ensuring each suspected patient stays under quarantine. Currently, health officials send out postal notices and make phone calls to those believed to have had any kind of contact with MERS patients. They're ordered to stay at home or at designated medical facilities, depending on the degree of risk. Officials also informed them that if they break quarantine regulations, they'll be fined $2,700. But with the number of infections still ticking up, many are asking if the preventive measure is strong enough.
A $2,700 fine is a bit weak as a tool to protect the lives and safety of the people, as well as the public interest.
Some argue more pragmatic support that eases the inconvenience of staying home all day is needed to stop them venturing outside.
I don't think the size of the fine is the problem. It's more important to come up with realistic measures to ensure they stick to the rules.
More than 6,700 people are in quarantine across the nation, with the number growing fast. Experts say that one way or the other, it's time for the government to draw up more effective measures to tighten surveillance. Arirang News.